The battle wages on within my mind, a war of two great foes I cannot find, insanity and depression, two beasts of the night, seeking to tear apart what is left of my light. In the darkness of the night they collide, with whispers and whispers of lies, and in this endless war I do dwell, trapped in the endless abyss of my own hell. Oh, what cruel fate hath I befallen, to face this battle with no end or callin', for with each passing day it grows, and I am left with the weight of my own woes. But though I may feel the sting of defeat, and the hopelessness that it may be complete, I shall rise with the power of my own will, and stand tall against these demons with a voice still. For in this battle I am not alone, with friends and loved ones to call my own, and together we shall fight this war, until sanity and happiness once more. And though I may stumble and I may fall, I shall rise again with a heart full of gall, for the battle of insanity and depression is one that shall be fought with love and affection,